barely see this thing. Holy moly, let me turn up the brightness. There we are. Yeah, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came, it's a US product, but it's mainly geared for the Filipino market here. Or I don't know if this goes to the Philippines as well. This is a brand called Pamana, and this is an ube Champorado. Ube, which is pickled plum, rice porridge. So that's neat, and we will be doing that today. This came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much. This is the seasoning. This is what the porridge looks like before it's been cooked. So that's the thing. So there's that. And then we got this. This is the flavor base. Really curious about this one. This is the next to last one I got. The last one I got is a chocolate flavored one, which is really interesting. I might do that one tomorrow. These are nice and easy to set up. So, yeah. This kind of smells like chocolate on its own. You do that, and then there's a fill line right there. Is that a fill line? There's got to be a fill line. Okay. It has been a day. Already a day. So, if you are following the Ramen Raider stuff, you may know that we've been in a kind of a money deal with the money. Not going extremely wonderfully with the money. It is all about the money, money, money. But there we go. That's pretty well steered it up. But apparently the phone bill didn't get paid, and so like got put off last month, and then now it's like the time where they want their money, and well, we don't have it, so we don't have the ability to make phone calls currently, which is very unfortunate. So hopefully that'll get resolved shortly. At this point, I'm hoping by the time you're watching this, things have mellowed out, because we got really behind and had to start a GoFundMe. I posted that again and got some really great help right off the bat, and thank you so much. Hopefully there's no stuff about a GoFundMe on the site right now, because that means things are mellowed out. I don't like to do that. I mean, it's like, dude. So yeah, that's what's going on. Plus, my poor boy, he has bronchitis, so he's home. A day. And then yesterday I went and I hung out with my older son, Andy. He's 18, and we hadn't seen each other since before the pandemic, and we did that yesterday, and that was a trip. He's taller than me. He's 6'3". Wow. We talked on and off and stuff, but yeah, actually we hung out and gonna be doing more of that, so that's good. I'm really stoked on that. Anyways, yeah, that's the doings and such. Thinking about making something fancy for dinner, but I don't know what. We're kind of not doing so well on the funds. Speaking of a fellow human that's not doing so well on the funds, at least he said, my buddy Paul down in Australia, I want to say congratulations on your new daughter Lilith. That's rad. Hope you guys are having fun. Actually, he didn't have the baby. His lady had the baby, so works easier that way. You know, I've done things that have been atrocious, but never one that resembled a baby. Usually it takes a lady. I remember there was some kind of thing, a big story, and it was like such a miracle, and it was like this guy who was just like, no, really, I had a baby. It's like, no, you didn't, dude. No, you didn't. It doesn't work that way. You ain't got the parts for it. But there was like all this news about this fellow who had said baby, and that you can't do that, guy. Not gonna happen. No, that's the full line. It's not really getting super coagulant, but it does still have 2 minutes left. Porridge. I'm trying to think of what to add to it. I guess it'll depend on what it tastes like at the end, right? Cinnamon and sugar? There's the chocolate one too. Maybe a glob of peanut butter with that one? I really don't know. We'll see. Sunny, cloudy, sunny. My area for taking pictures of the noodles is looking kind of weird. Kind of bright. I don't know if that's going to work out. Oh. Somebody sent me a message. I don't know who. And my Bluetooth is about to die. So that about rounds everything out. Yeah. I'm used to, like, at this time of day being out walking or doing something else, but last couple weeks have been difficult. Sick kids, holidays. I know we got another day off they got on Monday. It's Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024 right now. Oh, New Hampshire. That's right. GOP primary in New Hampshire day between Trump and Nikki Haley. I have a feeling there's a possibility she'll drop out tonight and then it'll just be Trump. So don't vote for that guy. Come on. Or do, because I don't think there's really a chance. I think the polls are all jacked up because there's no way there's that many stupid people in the United States, is there? Come on. The guy's a freaking charlatan. He does not care about you. He is not Jesus. He's not, really, he's not. That guy would assume, he was like, you can be president if you go and you poop on your people. And he would poop on his people. All right, last stir. It kind of smells like chocolate milk, I'll be honest. Oh, but it doesn't taste like chocolate. Oh, that's interesting. Porridge. You know, it would go good in this, maybe be a couple of marshmallows. You like the marshmallows? Come on, guys, you like the marshmallows. So that is rice porridge. It's just like a big sloppy bowl of goo with plum flavor. And it smells like hot cocoa. It's pleasant. It's not bad. Cinnamon and sugar wouldn't go with it. I don't know what I would add to this. I think I would just leave it be, and that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah, you can find stuff like this in the instant noodle aisle. I like doing things like this because people who don't go to Asian groceries so often might come across something like this and go, oh, well, it's not noodles. I came here to get noodles, but I don't know what this is. But you never know, you know. You might end up liking it. It might be something that you find to be, you know, really good. So I try to show everybody all the angles on everything. So again, I say, there you go. All right, well, thanks again to James from Lakeside for sending this over. Interesting. And the next one we got is, this one's from Indonesia. This is ABC Ayam Bawang. This is a mee kuah, so it's a noodle soup. And this was sent to me from Australia by a lady named Ferengi. So thank you, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out, and you as well. You know that? Have a good one. Bye-bye.